gonna smoke me a fatted brisket.
Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up a beef and bacon pot pie at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right, for this recipe, you're going to need some seasoning. Here we've got some ketchup. We've got some Worcestershire sauce. We got some white pepper. We got an onion. We got some eggs. Here we've got beef belly bacon. That's right. This is beef bacon. If you've never tried it, check it out. Here we've got some pork belly bacon. We've got some ground beef. And you're going to need some pie dough right there. You know about that. And you're going to need some of your favorite sauce. All right, let's put this together. First thing you want to do is chop up an onion. Easy, right? Now, you can head on over to our website and get the exact ingredients, or check out our apps, both in iOS or in Android apps. You can get the recipe there and download it. All right? Simple enough. Oh, man. When you smell those onions, nothing like the smell of onions when you're out at the park, at the camp, whatever. All right, onions are fried up a bit. Now we're going to add that ground beef. And if you can, use ground chuck for best flavor. But you all knew about that if you've been following us, right? So we'll cook down the ground beef a bit with the onions. Man, there's nothing like the smell of onions and ground beef at the pit. The smell will carry for miles. All right, ground beef has been cooked down a little bit. We could just stop this video here, right? All right, now we've got some white pepper. This will add a little bit of heat, a lot of flavor to this mix. All right, cook down. In fact, that smells so good, we might as well just stop the video and eat this. Oh yeah, now let's cook the pork belly bacon, and with that, we're going to put in that beef bacon. Like I said, if you've never had beef bacon before, you're missing something out of your life. You got to check it out. Whoa. Look at that. All right. A little bit of a treat to the guard dog. Got to take care of your guard dog, right? Keeps the critters away. Now, there's not much more to say about this. You just kind of kick back, watch, listen. Can you smell it? I know you can. All right. The guard dog thought she was going to get some of that. Nah, you have to wait till next time. All right, the bacon is pretty much cooked down. See that? Perfect. If only Martha could see this, she might be hanging with us. All right, now we're going to add some ketchup. A little bit of chuck. And this is optional, but we want to heat it up a little bit. So we've got a nice spicy barbecue sauce there. Use your favorite sauce, of course. In goes the Worcestershire. And of course, some of our SPG, which is salt, pepper, garlic, a few other ingredients. Check out our shop if you'd like some. And we'll mix it up. This is painfully slow. Oh. All right. Now we're going to thicken this up just a little bit with some cornstarch. let you know about that too. A little bit of cornstarch. Thickens up a little bit. Be perfect for a pot pie. Oh yeah, keep stirring it. Just keep stirring it like that, baby. Oh yeah, perfect. Now let's set up this cast iron equipment the way you should. This is a Dutch oven, of course. And we put the pie dough in one of our black iron pans. And we'll throw the mix in there. Again, I told you this would be easy to do. You'll never buy a pot pie retail like this. You have to make your own. Remember, the BBQ Pit boys have over 800 recipes, barbecue and grilling. So if you need some ideas, you check us out on our apps or on our website. Now, this is traditional, right? Take a little bit of egg wash, hit the corners. This will brown up the edge a little bit, make it look real pretty. And it also acts as a glue because you want a topping, right? You want a nice, beautiful brown crust when this is done. And it's great because you can go out and buy the dough already made, flattened out. So it makes it real easy if you're not into making pie dough. Again, we'll make it look pretty, add some more egg on there, or egg wash. Helps brown it. Simple enough, as I've been saying. Oh. Are you kidding me? So we'll take the cast iron pan. And then we're going to drop it in the Dutch oven. And of course, use some gloves, because that's hot right there. Drop it in. Hence the term Dutch oven. It acts like an oven. Just add some hot charcoal to the top. And this will allow you to cook this from the top as well, just like a regular oven. These cast iron pans are indispensable around the pit. So while we wait, Pit Master and the guard dog checking out the scenery. All right, take a look at that. Didn't take long to do, of course. You just want to cook the pie dough, and that's perfect. Nice and hot. Now you want to let it cool off a bit. This will make it a lot easier. Quarter up. Just make a half slice. Depends how hungry you are. Right? Take a look at that. Oh, 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 oh. You got chicken. So this is the part where the pit master eats in front of you and he doesn't apologize. But we call this Pit Master Prick. So give us a shout out if you can, a thumbs up, follow us, subscribe to us, download our apps, head on over to our website, start your own chapter. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.